Salam everyone! Today we will make a very delicious tagine made with green peas and artichoke. For this meal we will need artichoke, green peas, 1 pack, olive oil, cilantro and parsley, tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, coriander, turmeric, ginger, salt, pepper, half lemon, garlic, and meat. First, we will cook the meat with some vegetable oil. Then, we will add onions and salt and pepper. If you don't have tagine, you can use the pressure cooker. If you use the pressure cooker, cook the meat with the seasoning and some water for 30 minutes, then add whatever vegetable you want to add, and it will take 15 extra minutes. But for the tagine, it takes longer, 2 hours, 2.5. It depends how long it takes for the meat to get tender. Now, add the rest of the seasoning. Cooking in a tagine is a little tricky. You have to check all the time if there is enough water. You can either use fresh tomato or tomato paste mixed with some water. After the meat got tender, we will add green peas and artichoke. Cooking in a tagine, as I said earlier, it takes longer than cooking in cooker pressure. Cooker pressure takes 30 minutes for the meat to get tender, and then you add 15 minutes when you add any kind of vegetable you want. But for the tagine, it takes 2-3 hours because it's cooking in a low heat. Last step, we add olive oil to the dish and decorate it with cilantro. As you see, it looks and tastes very yummy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.